Hi, my name is Haris Al-Sheikh, and this is part 3 of my computer technology project 2. Before I start, I would like to talk to you about today's video. The content of today's video are the recap of last video, Bluetooth compiling error fix, Bluetooth testing, problem statement, and things I've learned from the project. In the last video, I discussed that I was successful running the fragment layer, which completed my application design. In the last video, I also had no success with fixing my issues with the Bluetooth, as there were many compilation issues. In this video, I am going to go through my Bluetooth issues being fixed, as I was successful doing it. To fix this error, it was very simple. I had an idea that I was missing some package. The error was that I was missing the main package name on the top of my main activity Java file, which was kind of silly for me. In the picture, you could see the package name. This was the main package I was missing from the main activity Java file. After fixing this issue, I then tested the application on the simulator and it was working fine. But after using the application for a little while, testing it a lot, the application kept on crashing. I don't know what's the reason for the application crashing, but I guess it's something to do with the code again, and I'm still going through it to see where the error lies. Or as I am towards the end of my project, I would like to state some problems. As the application design and Bluetooth have been implemented successfully, the part of the project which I could not implement was to add a terminal with Cisco commands. Due to a lack of time, this part of the project could not be implemented, as the implementation and the testing for Bluetooth took most of my time throughout the duration of the project. Bluetooth, although it is successful and working, the application is still crashing, which is still annoying because it is not 100% complete, and I'm still going through trying to fix it, but it partially works. But the main objective of the project was to enable the users of the application to use Cisco commands without typing the commands in. A list of commands will help the user select what commands to choose to configure a router switch. By having this feature, it saves time for the users as they will not have to type in the command, and by touching the commands will make things easier. I did make things portable, but I did not make it easier for the user as I have not implemented any terminal from which they can configure their switches or routers. As part of the conclusion, I would like to say that the main objective of this project was to offer users mobility to configure Cisco switches and routers. As I have accomplished most of the project goals, I missed out on the main objective of the project, which was to implement touchable commands, which gets rid of typing out commands. There were a lot of problems throughout the duration of the project. The issues were compiling errors which took time to fix and thus missing out on the main objective of the project. The project progression was slow and steady as a lot of tests needed to be made for the application to run as intended. As far as the goals and objectives goes for this project, I wasn't able to meet my goals and objective, leaving out the crucial part of the objective being able to implement commands in the application. However, I successfully achieved two of the main objectives of the project, which were the design of the application and the crucial Bluetooth connection between the device and the Cisco switch and routers. Saying that the Bluetooth is still not 100% complete, it is 90% because of the application crashing. I would actually like to end on a high note as I was able to solve many issues and I was more than halfway way of finishing off my project. I've certainly increased my knowledge on Android Studio and I feel more comfortable using this IDE. As in the beginning on semester 1, I was not so familiar with the Android Studio IDE and um, found it a little bit difficult using it. The learning outcome from this was the implementation of Bluetooth and adding fragment layer, which helped with the design of the application. With this, I could say that the application is almost done, but not complete. I would like to thank you all for watching my videos from the first semester and now the second semester. Thank you very much.